Do you know what is the difference between square brackets and these brackets? If not, then follow me and I will show you. So in the first line, we can type here a list of objects. So I will type a range from 1 to 10, and then with a step of 1, and then we have here a list of numbers, and then I can take this list. For instance, I will duplicate it just for this exercise and multiply it, or multiply it. So for instance, if we take the first one and the second one, so right now we can access the specific numbers from here. So I will type, for instance, number from on the 0. I mean 0 is the position, is this one, plus multiply by second number, which I want to be, let's say, 7, but is stored on the position 6. And I will type here first number and second number. Okay, and then the first number I'll put the list, and then the second number I'll put the list. Okay, so right now we have the result. We have this one, we have 1 multiplied by 7. So this is when we have when we pick the position. But how about this one? Okay, if follow me and I will show you. So right now I will type again a double click, and then I will type first list. I will type, let's say, list 1, and will be this one, and then list 2, and will be this one. Okay, we have the lists, and if we want to combine them, let's say list multiplier equal with list 1 by list 2. Okay, so right now what we have here, we have here a multiplication of the first number 1 with 1, then 2 with 2, then 3 with 3. Okay, I will shorten this list, and we observe something. We have observed that the lacing is like this: 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5, and stop. What if we change here and we put 1, and we put here and 1? I'll show you why. So nothing changed. But what if we put here 2? So if we put 2, we want to have this list 1 by 1. We want to have this one. We want to have 1 by 1. So each element from the second list multiplied with the elements from the first list. So we have 5 numbers multiplied 10 times. So we have here 1 multiplied with each one, then 2 multiplied with each one, then 3 multiplied with each one, But right now we want, for instance, what is going on now? Right now I inverted the lists. So right now I put 1 here and 2 here. So right now I have the opposite. I have this list. I have this number. So we will have 10 lists. If we scroll here, we will have 10 lists. Because first is 0, so we have 10 lists multiplied by 5. So which is great. Okay, and because I was telling you this with names and fruits, I have here an example where I made two lists, Mary eats and Johnny eats, so they are two lists, and then I made a list of apples, of fruits, apples, strawberries, cherry, apricot, kiwi, and then I said, okay, I want to combine them. So normally with the default Dynamo we can have here the lacing. Where is lacing? Is here. So by default is this, so it's auto, which will take the first list and will combine with the second. But as you can see, Mary eats apples and Johnny eats strawberries, and then if we change these to shortest, we will have the same result, and then if we change to longest, we will have the longest list. So Mary eats apples, then Johnny eats strawberries, and then Johnny, because is the last element in this list, Johnny will eat the other fruits. Okay, and then is the last lacing type, and is a combination. So Mary eats all the apples, all the fruits, and then Johnny eats all the fruits. So this is the exact thing. So if you, for instance, if you take these two nodes, these 3 nodes, and then press this node to code, you'll get this result. So here you can see the lacing, how was made. The idea is that I recently saw on a project these two, and I was happy that I knew what this notation is. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you learned something new today. Bye.